Foreclosure Bar.
Back with another video. Today we are going to talk about building your team for your foreclosure clean out business. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get my videos as soon as I drop them. So when it comes to building your team, it doesn't have to be a lot of people. It can be 3 people and up, maybe 10 people at the most, depending on how many houses you have or how big the house is. You want to give everyone a different job to rotate out throughout your day. Let's just say we have 6 people. You can have 2 people cleaning up and putting everything in the trash bags. You can have 2 people unloading and reloading the truck. And you can have another 2 people sorting out the items. So that way you're hitting 3 areas
in a short amount of time.
Or you all can go in one day and separate everything together. So let's just say our 6 people go in there the first day. We're all working. Everyone is doing what they can. By the end of the day, you want to make sure you ask everyone, how did they enjoy the work that they were doing? You may have some people who enjoy cleaning up more than other people do, like cleaning the counters or sweeping or sorting. Some people get a relief from that. So if you can put those type of people in that area of the business when you're cleaning the houses, you'll have better results because it's coming from a person who doesn't mind doing that work. If you have someone who's good at lifting things, you want to keep them in the lifting area because they'll be able to go in and position the items right. They'll have knowledge of how to pack the items down so they don't fall off. You want to make sure you're putting the correct people in the correct department of your business. You know, kind of like at work. Everyone is in a certain department based off of their skills. Now, I know in the state of Texas, just as long as you don't go over 50 employees, you don't have to offer them insurance. But if you do go over it, you have to offer the workman's comp, you know, all the things that is included in like the regular jobs we work now. Go do your research for that. I advise everyone that I know to do their own personal research because it just shows, you know, how much you want it and if it's something that you would be interested in. So go do your research if you're in a different state and you're not in Texas. A lot of people had a question about payment. How am I going to pay my employees? Like we were talking about in the previous videos, if you go ahead and get your items together that are resellable, sell those. Create a fund for the items that you sell. That can be your workers' fund, if that makes sense, or account for your employees. That sounds better. That can be something that you don't touch. Plus, you can add in what you make off the houses to add on to that account, just in case you have to order or have, you know, someone come out to go do a different type of job, or just in case you want to hire some extra people.
High beams on like I'm driving through the day again. I done said my piece, I got nothing left to say again. Cutting out the middleman cause I ain't trying to pay again. Whole squad keeping new money on the way. Yeah, new money on the way.
Taste the producer.